As I lay sleeping on a lonely boxcar floor, I dreamed about a great train full of mysteries galore. The cars are made of silver and the engine solid gold, accommodating hobos into her velvet fold. The conductor sold the tickets while a coming down the aisle, and all you had to pay him was a yodel and a smile. The dining car was loaded with victuals fit for kings, and everything was rosy upon the yodel train. She whistled like a yodel, you could hear her far and wide, and the engine seemed to yodel too as across the countryside. She traveled east and westward through sunshine and through rain. She was known to all the hobos as the yodel train. She flew across the prairies or down the mountainside. You could hear the engine yodeling, taking all the grades in stride. She yodeled at the crossings from Mexico to Maine. Oh, what a glorious journey upon the yodel train. If I should go to heaven, though hobos seldom do, I hope they have this yodel train just like that dream I knew. I sure would love to board her and hear her cry again, and travel for 1,000 years upon the yodel train. She whistled like a yodel, you could hear her far and wide, and the engine seemed to yodel too as across the countryside. She traveled east and westward through sunshine or through rain. She was known to all the hobos as the yodel train. I need a